Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a while since I posted a vlog. Sorry, my birds are gonna speak whenever I'm gonna record, so just ignore them. But yeah, it's been almost 5 months since I posted, and I don't have an excuse for that. I don't really. I recorded stuff. I was just living in the moment, so I was not able to complete vlogs, and then it got to August. And if you actually followed me for a very long time, or if you have subscribed for a very long time, you know that on September 1st I posted my first ever vlog last year. I officially started my YouTube channel, and this vlog is very special to me, so that is why even the lighting is very bad. It's raining all day, and I don't think it's gonna stop. And I don't think it's gonna stop for next, I guess, the next Sunday. And today's the Monday. Who is this person? Okay. And it's been raining all day. The lighting is very bad. It's getting like right now I'm feeling very hot and I'm wearing a sweatshirt, but I'm feeling very hot. But almost 10 minutes ago I was feeling very cold. So the weather is a mess. Yeah. Also, I was like not in the mood to start a vlog today. I wanted to start a vlog today. I did, I was saying to myself, you need to start a vlog, and it's 6 o'clock now. I woke up at around 10. This because I slept very late. I was reading a book, and then I was reading a book till I guess 3 in the morning, and then I was like, I need to actually edit a video in the morning and then upload that video, and then I have to also start a vlog. So you need to sleep. I woke up at 10. I sat down to edit said video. Tell me why every single, like, the software that I need to, I go to edit my videos needed an update. Okay, I updated it. It took so much time. Then that it took so much time to transfer my files, the file that I wanted to edit, into my laptop, and then by that time it was already 2. So I felt like it's not a great decision to just edit the video in a hurry, because then I'm gonna mess it up. So I felt like I should not edit the video today, and I should edit the video today and then upload it tomorrow, not upload it today, so I could just take my time editing it. Because every time I hurry myself into editing a video, I mess it up. Yeah, so today um, I did not did that much. I wanted to start painting. I wanted to do that, but something about this continuous rain and this dark weather, just I don't know how to, just makes me very lazy. Or I just don't want to get up from my bed, and I just want to lay in bed and read all day, and just sip some tea and not do any work. But I forced myself. I was like, let's do some journaling. So I was doing that. My I journal sometimes. I write, and then I do like pages like this where I just artistic type of writing. Like, this is the one. When I'll complete it, then I'll show it to you guys. It's not complete yet. But yeah, I started this new journal. It's very aesthetically pleasing, and I love it very much. And the first page was something. The first page, because I started this in August, so I pasted my August painting that I did here, and then I wrote a quote, and then now I'm just trying to join this. And that was about everything I did today. I did started to edit, but then it was hurting my brain because I cannot look continuously at a screen, and editing just requires me looking continuously at that screen. So I had to take a break. Now I'll edit at night. You an update. Yeah. Also, I said on my Instagram so many times, I thought people might want a birthday vlog. My birthday was in June. The last time I recorded, I was 18. Now I'm 19. Um, my birthday was in June. I did started a video, did started doing recording at that time. I kind of lived in the moment for my birthday. Forgot to vlog. That is another story. And then the whole of July I was very sick. I was getting better, but then I was getting sick again, and I was not able to vlog. But now, in the end of August, I want to vlog. I want to get back to this channel, and I just want to show my daily life sort of thing. What I'm going to do in this vlog, I don't know. we're gonna paint mostly because I haven't been painting for quite some time now, and I was discussing this with my friend last night, and I was just ranting about how I wanted to start a painting, and I'm definitely gonna start a painting today. I did not. Maybe I will. It's only 6 o'clock, and maybe I'll just start a sketch, like just sketch something, and then I'll paint it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, any day. But yeah, I'm gonna do some painting. I'm definitely gonna do some paintings because it's been quite some time since I actually sat down to paint anything. um I'm gonna talk about books, obviously. I also started to talk about books on my Instagram, which is I got a great response on that. Now I'm feeling very hot, and I feel like I should just change from this sweatshirt, but I know that I will then feel very cold, so I should not. Anyways, I hope you guys will like the vlog, and I'll just show you my my homebody lifestyle because I rarely leave my home. Because I don't want to record right now because I literally recorded a 34 fucking minute video last night, and I want to edit it, and that's just the dreadful part. And I just don't want to speak too much in this video because then I'll dread it, because I speak too much and I have to edit some hours video to such just 40 something video, which is terrifying. Because because I want to include everything I talk about, and how can I cut off parts? I'm talking too much again, and I'll just right now, because I'm not in the mood to even journal, so I'll just take a book with me in the bed and just read. And maybe if I'm editing, I can include you in that. Maybe, not sure. Um, and yeah, I just want to read right now. I just don't want to talk. This is not how I wanted to start this clip. But anyways, here we are. It's 2 days later since I recorded the last clip. In my defense, I was going to record something yesterday. Can you please just shut up for 1 minute when I'm talking? Right now, you were not even speaking a word. Okay, anyways. I did. Shut up. I did wanted to record yesterday. I set up everything up. Then I went out to eat something with my friends. I ate something which had food coloring in it, and if you know me, I am allergic to food colorings. So it made me very dizzy, and I had a headache, and I just came home and I just slept because I was feeling so not great. And it was there since, like, it was, the effect was there this morning also, and it's the evening now, but I feel great. I feel relaxed now, so I thought I'll just record. Also, I don't know what happened because of the allergy that I have. I have rashes all over my hand. If you can see, it's getting very red. I don't know, I have to apply something on it. I am allergic to the most random stuff in the world. Like, no one I can imagine will be allergic to food coloring, yet I am allergic to that. I cannot handle food colors at all. Also, I am allergic to cat hair. Like, I'm allergic to cats literally, and I love cats. I love cats so much. I found out about this allergy last year because I was trying to get a cat because I love cats so much. I finally convinced my mom to get a cat, and I got one. Like, I didn't got one. I just fostered a cat for a day because I just wanted to see how that goes. I was with that cat all night, and the next morning I started to have rashes all over my hand. And then I didn't much thought about that thing because I was like, okay, maybe I'm not sure if it's because of the cat. And I visited one of my friend who also have a cat, and I got the same exact rashes again. Yeah, I'm allergic to cats, and it's a very sad thing because I love cats. I love cats so much. How can I be allergic to cats? Anyways, yeah, so I'm not gonna adopt a cat anytime soon. Anyway, what I've been reading, I started to read. Oh my god! I started to read the Happily Ever After playlist by Abby Jimenez. I love this. I've not been that far. Wait, something is vibrating. I don't know. Okay, I've been 12% into this book. I love it. I love it so much. Um, yeah, so I maybe read this. My reading pace, even though, how can I say this? Like, I am very excited to read this book. Like, I'll just start it right now, right away. But I just take my time reading parts of the book. I just don't, because earlier I used to read like the whole night to complete a book, or like I'll just complete a book in 3 hours or like 5 hours. And now I want to take my time reading a book because I don't know, I just want to grasp everything that the book has to offer. Also, I have been in search of a book like Everything I Know About Love, because I don't know, I'll recommend this book to every person, every women, especially women in their um 20s, to read this book, because this book is so great. I feel like I haven't talked about this book at all on my channel, because I have talked about this book on my Instagram a lot, and I feel like people don't want to hear me talk about this anymore. I am in a like, if you guys know a memoir or something similar to Everything I Know About Love, I beg you, please recommend it to me. I'm in like, you know how I felt after I have read The Lover's Dictionary. I was desperate to find a book that could give me the same feeling as Lover's Dictionary made me feel, and I couldn't find it, and I got into a major reading slump because of that. I read nothing in April. I read almost nothing in May. I started reading in the end, like in the end of May, and then I got to June. um in June, mid-June, I purchased this book. I was felt like everyone was reading this book, everyone was saying this book is amazing, and every girl in their 20s should read this book. So I feel like, yeah, I can actually read this book, and I purchased this book. Tell me why, after, like, I've seen so many people talk about this book even after I've read La Lover's Dictionary, and I felt like this is a memoir. Okay, how will I be able to enjoy a memoir? I'm not the person to even, like, you know, enjoy non-fiction, and I will never, I thought myself of the person who will never enjoy memoirs. Like, why would I want to read about a person's life? I was like that. After reading this book, I want books like these. I want books where these women in their 30s are just, you know, I don't know how to describe this in a great way. I'm not a person to describe anything in a great way, but a women, like, telling something. It's the most basic explanation I can give about this book is that Dolly Alderton is, I don't know what age she is, but she is like a big sister to me, and she is giving advice to me. That is what I felt reading this book. Even though this book was about her life and what she endured in her life, it was like she was giving me advices. And I love that in a book, and I want books like this, where it's not just about a love life or not just about friends. It's about the basic things like jobs and midlife crisis and everything like that, and I want something like that again. Sort of annoying noise in the background, just ignore that. Hopefully you guys are able to see me. You can see it's very hot, or like, I don't know, what is this line that is going above my head? um Cannot do anything about it. But they, you know, guys saw me, yaar. Can you please just shut up? Okay. You guys saw I was wearing like full sleeve t-shirts in the last clip. It's bloody hot today. I cannot even breathe. That is how hot today is. And I just realized that in every single clip that is in this video, having a cup of tea with me. But I don't care. It's evening time and it's my time to have a cup of tea. So I just wanted, because I was painting. Can I show you? I was painting this yesterday, because yesterday I didn't feel like I wanted to talk to a camera, so I just recorded myself painting. But today I wanted to talk to the camera while I'm painting. So today, oh, I didn't brought my palette knife with me. I was just wondering what is missing there in here, and then I was like, palette knife. What was I saying? Yeah, today I wanted to talk while I paint. So because I usually generally talk too much and I need to edit that out, so I thought I'll just answer some of your questions, and then I remember there are so many bunch of questions in wait, I'm too much in the dark now, am I not? The sun is in my eyes now. I think you will be able to see me. If not, I cannot do anything about it. So I wrote down a bunch of questions on this paper, because obviously I should record with my camera, so I cannot just look at the questions there. So I took out some questions that I felt like I haven't answered in some of my Q&As, and I also asked you guys to give me some questions in April, which I did recorded a video, never posted it. Okay, let's answer your question. Tell us how you've grown through the years in your art. I've grown in like a lot of aspects. I have grown earlier, when I started doing art, I used to only stick to one medium, because I thought that if I'll try out more mediums, then I'm just gonna fail, and I was just so scared of failing that I didn't try any other mediums at all. But now I really try to just try out more mediums. Like, I'm not scared of trying a new medium, because I feel like if I'll not try, I'll never know, which is one of the case that is with my books, because I used to not try any other genres as well. But recently this year, the change has been like, if I'll not try, I'll never know, and I should just try out new things. Anyways, next question. Where do you get your inspiration from? I'm not even able to understand my own handwriting. It's becoming a serious issue, because most of my friends said that they think my handwriting is very bad. I agree. Okay, I think the black part of the cup is over, I guess. It's looking deep. I get my it depends on my mood, that what I'm like inspired by. I usually love to paint still life objects, so sometimes my art is inspired by those. Like right now, I'm just painting coffee equipments, because I started this spread in, I want to say, March. I never completed it, but I just got a certain burst of motivation that I just need to complete this spread. So I went ahead and I'm doing that right now. Also, sometimes my inspiration is just I just get my inspiration from music, which is just a lot of times that I get inspired by music, and I just want to paint something by music. Sometimes I get my inspiration from books, which I recently was I was just sitting there and I was just I was just in my mind, it was just fantasy genre was going on, so I was just thinking about art that I can get inspired by fantasy. And then I came across a couple of photographs on Pinterest, and then I just want to paint those so bad. So maybe I'll pick. Mama, a person asked me a question. Should you beg a guy to love you?
No.
No? You should never beg a guy to love you, right?
If I have to beg him to love me, then he's of no use.
Question that I was going to ask, my mom was just in the room, so I just asked her that, because moms just give the best advice. I feel like our moms, like, no, I'm not even talking about just my mom. I feel like every mom knows what's best for you, and I had cases in which my mom just warned me about a friend or a person in my life and she just said that this person is not right, you are friends with him, like you are friends with that person, I'm okay with that, but I'm just gonna say that don't share much of your life with them. And I did not listen to her a couple of times. I just went on, and in the end, it just proved, like that person just proved my mom's point right. So I feel like now I just, I, even if I'm doing the smallest of things in my life, I just go and ask her. So I have decided that I'm gonna end the vlog here, or I'll just break the vlog into 2 parts because it's getting too long. So I'll just see you all in the next vlog now, and I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, because this vlog means a lot to me, because this vlog has been posted on the same day that I posted my first ever YouTube video, and this just marks the 1 year anniversary of that. And I hope you all like the vlog, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like the vlog. And if you want to follow me on any of my social medias, they're all linked down below as always. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.